viewers. In this presentation, we are going to see small introduction about the statistics. So what is statistics? Statistics means what? It is a numerical data which is stating the facts or simply a data. So we are giving the data in a numerical way. So that is we are getting statistics. So scientific methods to analyze and interpret the given data. So we are using certain scientific methods to analyze the particular given data and we are getting certain solutions from that. That is statistics, a measure based on sample observation. So we are getting certain sample from the total population. In from that we are making certain analysis and we are getting certain interpretations from that. So that is statistics. So we are getting certain data from a population and we are making an analysis and we are getting certain conclusions or results from that. That is statistics. uh, why we are using statistics, the business managers, why they are using the statistics in their business. So it is mainly for describing certain information about a particular research. So they need to properly present why they are for example, if they are selling the particular product, means why they are selling that product. So what are the researches are made according to that product. So in order to provide that in detail, the statistics is very very important. So to draw conclusions about large populations based only on information obtained from sample population. So the conclusions is purely based on the sample derived from the universe or population. So from that sample only they are determining the particular population too, also like that they are going to assume from that sample. So in order to improve a next level process in that particular business, these research through are very useful. So to obtain reliable forecast from the arrived conclusion, so we can able to forecast with these given data and the conclusions derived from that particular data. So we feel that it is a reliable focus we can able to make in the future from this decision. So for these purposes that managers are using the statistics in their business in order to promote their business. So what are the main divisions of statistics? There are mainly 5 divisions are there: descriptive statistics, analytical statistics, inductive statistics, inferential statistics, and applied statistics. So let us see one by one. So what is descriptive statistics? In the name itself we can able to know it is describing something. So we are going to make a research on particular topic, in the sense we are summarizing the topic, we are getting the main features of the topic, we are detailing studying the topic. We are not doing any conclusions from that. In this statistics we are just analyzing in detail and gathering informations related to that topic. That is descriptive statistics. So more informations are collected related to our data for the purpose of analyzing. Next one is analytical statistics. So the next step after getting the information, we need to analyze using certain statistical tools like correlation regressions. These are all used for comparing any two variables. So these type of analytical strategies why we are doing means in order to identify the functional relation between the variables. So when we are getting research on particular thing, we are getting many problems or many solutions. So we need to compare that both which is higher than that. According to that we need to get certain conclusions. So the functional relation between variables are analyzed in this stage. So it is used to get a conclusions about a specific sample data. So they are making analysis after getting the information about the data. Next one is inductive statistics. So it is helps in estimating indirectly a phenomenon on the base of partial data. So on the base of sample, from the sample we are getting certain data. In that we are indirectly estimating what may be occur. So we are giving conclusions to that particular sample data after making certain analysis. So that is inductive statistics or inductive reasoning. So in this they are taking that sample from the larger population, and from the in that sample what are they are considering means they are getting certain conclusions after analysis and making certain decisions and forecasting the future and predicting the future behavior. So these are all made on the only on the sample, that is inductive statistics. Next one is the inferential statistics. Inferential statistics in the sense from the sample we are getting certain conclusions in the inductive statistics, then we are making inferences about the populations too from that sample, that is inferential statistics. It helps in drawing inferences on the population on the basis of the sample. So we are analyzing the sample and we are getting certain inductive statistics on the sample, that from that we are getting inferences about the population. It is more or less same like analytical statistics. So in inferential statistics we are making inferences on the populations using the data and conclusions made from the sample. Next, last one is applied statistics. So we are applying these necessary statistical tools and getting the real life factors, what is going to happen like that. So apply statistical tools in the sense you can know ANOVA, t-test, f-test, chi-square, like that we are applying the statistical tools and getting the real reliable factors what is going to be happen like that. So these are all the main divisions of statistics. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel, share the video. Thank you.